Should I put like my light here? Does that make it better? I'm trying my hardest. I really am. This YouTube life is not cut out for me. Y'all know this. It's 10:33 at night. Again, I need to fucking stop making videos at 10 p.m. I thought about not doing a makeup tutorial because I obviously don't know how to do makeup. You could do a get ready with me even though it's like 10 p.m. but y'all never know. I can do stuff at night.
At night.
In case y'all don't know, I filled my eyebrows in with L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set because I'm too poor to buy the Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow, but not poor enough to get the brush. My eyebrows probably look really bad, but I mean, have they ever looked good? I don't remember. We love a girl who is a beauty guru. So how y'all been? That's good. I'm looking straight at my mirror, so if I keep on looking back here, y'all know what I'm looking at. Real techniques. I always set my concealer whenever I put it on my lid because I'm a oily bitch, in case I didn't know. I think like for the sake of this video, I'm probably not gonna set it. I'm just grabbing Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette, fluffy blending brush, I don't fucking know, puree, and Summer Yum. Y'all, I actually thought this was fake because like I bought it at a bazaar for like 20 bucks, and this was never like, this was new when this like retailed for like 40 something dollars. They said like the very first thing you can tell if it's fake is by the packaging. The packaging was fine, and like the main thing is if it smells like factory or peach. It smells like peach, so you do not buy fake products on this channel. I'm taking this and just blending it into my crease. Fuck, I need tape. Blending this into the crease because this is going to be the transition color. What I'm gonna do is take this big ass palette my Thea bought me. It's the Sephora Into the Stars palette. She gave it to me for Christmas and I was like, what? I don't even deserve this. I don't even deserve you. Shout out to my Thea. Dark brown color. I don't see that. I'm so sorry the lighting is bad. I was gonna try my flash, but nah. Put it in the outer corner of my eye and like right here. Like it's gonna look cool, I think. I don't know. Now I'm taking like this beauty bar palette, total face palette. Mama bought it for me for my birthday. Like this like wine color and this mauve color. And I'm gonna just blend it in. I don't know how. Just watch. Some days I'm just like, wow, I'm so good at makeup. Like, honestly, Sephora, hire me, you know what I mean? But then like some days I'm just like, shit, don't hire me. And I think this is gonna be one of those days. I'm gonna carve it real quick. Wow, can we fix this? That's cut. I'm gonna take my concealing brush and just get some concealer. Just like conceal down the lid. It's the Bare Minerals like loose glitter brush. This one. Go back to that brown color that I was talking about earlier and just going more into it. I'm gonna be a junior, guys, and that's kind of scary. Class of 2020. Pointer brush. NYX Professional School Dropout. This one. Highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Okay, bodies. I'm back. Fuck. All I did was I put on some eyelashes. These are the Kiss in the Style 11. I love these lashes. They're so cute and so wispy. You see? But I have a problem putting them on because, hi, one of my lashes is straight down straight. Another one is like curly, loopy. I don't fucking know. Like, it's just so fucking weird and it's so frustrating. Milani Prime Shield Face Primer. This is a Superstay full coverage foundation. But I'm wondering, yes, I'm wearing a YOLO shirt because it's 2012. Friend Taylor bought me for my birthday. The Hard Candy Gamoflauge in medium, I think. Blending this with a real technique. Now I'm gonna bake my face with yall translucent powder. We'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and brush all of this off. Take the rest of it and powder my whole face. To contour, I take the Sephora palette because in one of these things, they have a little contouring thing, and I use the darkest one. Powder palette, Mineral Glow Pearls, Translucent Pearl by Physicians Formula. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I just realized this is too pink. I'm gonna conceal my lips because I accidentally overdrew. I really didn't mean for this color to come out too pink, but I mean, it's what we gonna have to do. It's now 12. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
No.